Today's story is about two men who said they were U.S. citizens, but the government wanted to deport them. Fung Ho and another man were living in the United States. Immigration officials believed they were not citizens and ordered them deported. But the men argued something important. They said they were actually born in the United States. That meant they were citizens. And if they were citizens, the government had no power to deport them. The problem was this: immigration officials were making the decision themselves. There was no full court trials, no jury, and no judge deciding whether the men were really citizens. Welcome to Once Upon a Case. Because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. The men challenged this. They said deportation without a real judicial hearing was dangerous. If the government made a mistake, a U.S. citizen could be wrongfully deported. The case went all the way to the Supreme Court. The question became, if someone claims to be a U.S. citizen, can the government deport them without a court deciding the issue? The Supreme Court said no. The court explained that citizenship is extremely important. Deporting a citizen would be a serious injustice. Because of that, when a person claims U.S. citizenship, they must be allowed to have a judicial determination. In other words, a real court, not just immigration officials, must decide whether the person is a citizen. The Supreme Court ruled that Fung Ho and others in that situation were entitled to a hearing before a judge. The court emphasized that deportation is a severe action. If citizenship is in question, due process requires a judicial decision. The case established an important rule. When someone claims U.S. citizen, the courts must decide before deportation can happen. And that was the story of Fung Ho versus White. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, follow along for more. See you on the next one.